Hello you guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing an extreme clean with me, so I have tons of cleaning motivation for you. If you are looking to clean your house today and you are needing some motivation, I am your girl. I am actually starting off in the bedroom today, which is odd. Normally I start in the kitchen, but I decided to start off in the bedroom and kind of switch things up a little bit. And I'm going to be changing out my sheets. So today was, of course, laundry day, so it was time to clean the sheets and change those up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. I've got, as you can see on my phone there, I'm listening to Peter Vlogs. He's one of my favorite YouTube channels, and I absolutely adore him. So I'm always listening to him, watching him. And I got that playing right now, and I'm just going to go ahead and make my bed.
I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I've played my part for nothing, and I did it all for you, for you. Yeah, we've been through this, I'm not the one you need right now, and I can't stop time for you. I don't know why we couldn't work this out, because you know I tried the best I could, the best I could. I can't stop time for you. I can't stop time for you. I don't wanna be with somebody who's never gonna be around for me, around for me. I'm running out of energy, I realize you'll never be the one for me. I can't stop time for you. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, I don't need this right now. Won't you get out my way, get out my way. I don't need this right now, right now, right now.
Hey, I just made that bed. What are you doing? You're messing it all up, you turkey. This is the struggle of cleaning with a toddler. What are you doing? Is that so funny? Do you think that is so funny? Yeah, real funny. Real hilarious.
So now we are moving on into my son's room. I like to keep this train set here in his bedroom. He's got a bunch of toys in his room that are just for him that the daycare kids don't use. And since it was the weekend, I decided to clean those up and bring those out into the living room for him so that he could play with them while I was doing his cleaning up the rest of his room. Typically on the weekends, I like to go through and make sure I have enough diapers in my chest there for the week and just go through, replenish everything and wipe everything down because everything gets so dusty all the time and just dirty in general. Of course, it's a change station, so there's just like stuff everywhere. So I'm always wiping everything down and making sure everything is nice and clean for the week ahead. And yeah, that's pretty quick tidy of my son's room. I wanted to go ahead because during the summer, I had on this tinfoil over both of his windows, but I started taking it off now that it's starting to be fall, just because whenever I was putting him to bed so early, of course, it was still light out in the summertime. So I had the tinfoil on there in the wintertime or in the summertime. Oh my goodness, what is going on? In the summertime. So it's time to take it off now that the days are getting a little bit shorter. And now moving on into the kitchen, which is where I usually start. I had this block of cheese out from lunch that I had to finish grating so that I could put that away. I had this handy little thing from IKEA where it's a grater and a storage container all in one. So that's really, really handy. I love that thing. So I finished grating up that block of cheese, and now I'm just making my boyfriend a coffee, and then I'm going to go ahead and make myself one as well. My boyfriend gets a Ninja Turtle mug, as you can see. And I think I had a book lover mug. Yeah, we both need a little afternoon pick-me-up. Why can't I talk today? Like, what is going on? And then I'm just going to go ahead and continue cleaning the kitchen, just putting all the dishes into the dishwasher and clearing off the counters.
Fantasy, I know this can't be real. I'm falling way down, all illusional. 'Cause I got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming, got me flying high. 'Cause I can't believe that I get to have you close. within your maze. My head is dizzy like the purple haze. I don't know where we're going, but the clues that you are throwing are leading me back home to you. 'Cause you got the feeling like I'm lucid dreaming about the flying. Yeah, 'cause I can't believe that I get to have you close on an endless route of hesitating. One of those lucid dreams. Oh yeah, one of those lucid dreams.
The one that's always in, one that's always in. The one that's always in, one that's always in. I've been watching our thing alone. I'm the only one still in love. You are watching us fade away. So many times I have prayed on my own and sacrificed parts of myself, while you are busy feeding my lows. We shake, we break, we scream, we fight. Oh, why? It's funny we are still alive. Oh, why? What happened with the best part of you? The one that's always in blue. Don't wanna bite my tongue and let go. After all we've been through, the highs are really high, but this time lows are more lower too. What happened with the best part of you? The one that's always in.
So now we are moving into the dining room, and what can I say, you guys? This area of my house is the catch-all. It is right in between both of the doors that we actually use. We use the side door and the back door, and it just becomes a catch-all for absolutely everything that we bring into this house, and it drives me insane. And every day I say I'm not going to put anything there, but yet every night I end up having a pile of crap that I need to clean off it. Does anybody out there have this problem? Is your dining table your catch-all? Like mine, it's insane. And then look at this little guy just coming here. He's got his banana, and in a second you're going to see him start to peel his banana and throw it on the floor. So he takes part of it and it goes to the garbage can, but for most of it went on the floor. But at least he's cute though, right? So I got to give him props for that. Now we're heading over into the living room, which is the last room that we're going to be touching today. And it was fairly early in the morning when I was filming this, so I had to open up my blinds still. And you guys, I had these boots. I found them. I had ordered them seriously about 5 years ago and must have forgotten that I had them. And then I came across them the one day and I was like, why am I not wearing these? It's perfect for fall. And then also I have to tell you guys, my chair, as you can see here, is so sad and it is time. Like, it is done. I know I've told you guys this before, but we keep this chair around because it's so comfortable and we love it so much and we just want to recover it, but it's now like the bottom part, the reclining part, it's done. It's like stuck open and we can't get it to close, so it's probably time to just retire this poor old girl. All right, you guys, so we are nearing the end of the video, so I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you so much for hanging out with me today. I hope I inspired you to get some of your weekend cleaning done. And if you're new here, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I would absolutely love to have you be a part of my little growing family here on YouTube. I make a ton of cleaning content. I also make just motivational content in general. So, I'm trying to put out videos 3 times a week now. So thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.